Hello, welcome back to our new video. Today we are going to how to download and install deauthor power file in NodeMCU. This is the NodeMCU board. You can buy this from online. The link is given in the description.
Hi, this is Shrikant. You are watching Blue Shield
YouTube channel. Let's start the video. Go to the browser. Search for deauthor. I am giving the link below. You can download from there. Click on Get Started. Here you can see download option. Click on it. Download the binary file. Select NodeMCU and select USB deauthor. Click on download. Your file will be downloading. After download, to install this bin file to your device, you can install from here only. The next option of download. Here you can see DIY option. Click on it. Select installation bin. You can see tutorial of installation. Click on second option PHUHME and connect your NodeMCU board to your PC with the help of USB cable. Then click on Connect. And you can see serial port COM3. Click on it. And click on Connect. And here select the downloaded file. And click on Program. The file uploading to your device. After uploading file, once remove and reconnect the USB cable. Now go to your Wi-Fi. You will see the network named PWNED and connect the network. The password is deauthor. Now open the browser. Search 192.168.4.1 and agree the terms and conditions. Page will open. Click on the Scan the stations. Here you can see all available networks. I am selecting my own network. Now you can see my mobile screen connected with my network. When I click on deauth start, my network is disconnected with to all my devices. Here you can see I am trying to reconnect, but it is not connected till I am stopping the attack. When I stop the attack, it will connect automatically. Here you can see many options. To create the number of fake access points, click on SSID and create the victim SSID name. And type how many numbers to create. and click on Add. Then go to Attack. Start the beacon. Now see the Wi-Fi networks it will create the number of fake SSID. One second, I am telling this video is only for educational purpose. Don't do any illegal activities. It may cause legal consequences. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for more updates.